PTCL user, let me show you today how to check your bill status that your bill is paid or unpaid. So are you ready? Let's get started. Open your Google browser in Android or system window and type here PTCL. And this is official website of PTCL which you could see on the top. Simply click on it. Your PTCL homepage is open. Just a bit scroll down and simply click on the bill inquiry. So I would like to check the landline bill. Simply click on the landline. Right now choose the landline number here. The landline number you could see on the top of PTCL bill paper. After that select the area code. My area code is 0932. After that type here the landline number without area code and click on inquiry bill. A bit scroll up and you could see the bill information on the top. My bill status is paid.